Triggers explained. A trigger is an event that initiates or kickstarts your RPA flow. Zoho RPA offers several types of triggers. First, we have the schedule trigger. This trigger lets you initiate your flow at a specific time or recurring interval. This is perfect for daily, weekly, or monthly automations, like setting your RPA flow to run every morning at 9 a.m., for example. Next, we have the desktop trigger. This trigger allows you to activate flows based on the events happening on your desktop machine. For instance, you can initiate a flow using a hotkey, like a shortcut key, or by a Windows process, like when a Windows application is opened or closed. Additionally, flows can also be triggered based on file or folder events, like when new files are created, modified, or when folders are created or modified. Just a quick note, this trigger is currently only supported on Windows RPA agents. Finally, there's the webhook trigger. This trigger enables you to kickstart a flow based on events from other applications. Each flow has a unique URL generated for it. You just have to make a call to this URL endpoint and pass any necessary data payload. Now that you've learned about the available triggers, let's explore the different actions supported in our next lesson.